mom and dad getting a divorce at 10, grounded for a year. I don't know anybody that gets grounded for a year. That's intense. And then I'm imagining messages you might have heard, like because you didn't get B's or you were bad or dumb, or did you remember any verbal messages you got that were hurtful?
Um, I mean, they know because they never. It was just B's were the expectations, and
Well, you're hard on yourself though, right?
yes.
Yeah. So what kind of things do you tell yourself?
Um, I mean, I don't know what I told myself back then, but I mean
No,
nowadays,
now, what do you tell yourself now?
I mean that I sometimes I tell myself I'm not a good at what I do. Um, that I'm an idiot.
Right. And you weren't born telling yourself that, right?
No,
Right. So where did you get those messages, do you think?
my parents.
Most likely, right? Or siblings or the kids on the playground, somewhere you got those messages. And
Right.
you decided to believe them and tell yourself that. Those are lies. You're not an idiot. There's nothing wrong with you, but some part of you still believes that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is you guys both have an inner life that has experienced a lot of stress, and so it creates mixed messages and confusion about who you are and what your worth is and all that stuff, right?